attempt to find a place where I had a clear mind. I found myself in a blend cigars, and with his voice came clarity. A word directly spoken to correct me, and that's just what I needed. No heated discussion with cool words.
Tacit turn in the form of tinsel germs. Squirmed until my over fist was closed. That usually spat over cools until my will became aligned with the divine who spoke calmness to my mind. See time. Created tic-tacs that run like grandfather clocks in this perilous day. I put away my speech and bar. Teach it large. Teachers to hear God in the